Check out these shorts. These are awesome. They're not only training shorts, but also running shorts. And you know what? To be honest, my everyday shorts at this point. They've got really, really nice pockets. So, of course, and I say they because I've got the black and this is here, the gray, of course. Pocket on each side with zipper, which I'm a big fan of. So nothing, falls off if I'm bending down or sitting down anywhere. I love this one in the back here with that kind of like strength or reinforced kind of border. Really nice pocket in here. But the really cool kicker, and I'll show it on the gray ones because it's a lot easier, is this under kind of compressive boxer short or undergarment. And look at this, how they look. It's fantastic. And I just gave you a little peek because right here is where I have a secret pocket to actually hide a phone. And the phone is right there. It's not banging around and dangling in one of the pockets. So that's a super smart option. Really nice shorts with the drawstrings like this here. This is a medium, so I wear medium. They are true to size, as you can tell. Very, very comfortable. Like I said, not only training shorts, but everyday shorts at this point. They're awesome.